Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix not everyone can message this account in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you are facing this type issue that whenever you try to message someone, you see a message like that no everyone can message this account. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically there is nothing fixed for this issue. It happens when you are trying to message someone which has set the privacy that you cannot send him message, or if you're trying to send message, so you have to keep in mind that your messages are not limiting to that person. So it might be that the person had been blocked you, or there's a setting or any privacy setting of that person which is preventing you to send message to them. If you want to send a message, so you have to request the other person that they have to send a message to you. Once they have sent you a message, you will be able to send the message again. So in this way you can easily fix the issue if the person will send you a message. Otherwise there is no any fix like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.